This is a view of the new Central Park Reef Hotel from the beach behind by the sea. Gives you a little different angle than I've been showing you recently. Up there is going to be the swimming pool on that deck and the restaurant right there. There really isn't a whole lot, or there's really nothing to report since the last report on this hotel. All I can do is look at the outside. If I could get inside this hotel, obviously I would have much more interesting reports. And it's very difficult to estimate how long it's going to take to finish just looking from the outside. If the inside is almost done, then they might make the mid-November estimate. I doubt it, but if the inside is about as far as this outside is, then it's going to take another several months, and they won't make it by the end of the year. Early part of next year probably would be my estimate. But it's a very interesting project. I'm very interested. I live right next door, and I've been watching this project since day one when they started digging the massive hole for the parking garage. You can see the debris that's come onto the beach with all the rain and storms we've had recently. They've started cleaning up, raking stuff back, but there's still a lot of debris in here that needs to be taken out. And they're burning some debris down there a little ways, so it's looking better. We've had several days of good weather with very little rain. So things are looking more like summertime now, even though we're still in the rainy season. That beautiful elevator shaft that will have 3 elevators makes the building look very modern. There's the highway. Boy Beach Road is on the other side. This is the road going to Alta Vista. And to my right is the new Save More store going in. Big project. Going to be a pretty nice big store. The first big exciting new grocery store. It's the first major shopping here in town. There's just little tiny stores available now. This will be the first major shopping, as I call it. And you see the problem of construction when it's raining heavily, as it did up until a few days ago. It pretty much makes the project shut down. You see what's going on over there. They can still use some heavy equipment. But the rest of it's pretty difficult to deal with, I would think, with all of this water sitting here. We haven't seen an outstanding sunset like this in many weeks because of all the overcast and rain. It's good to see a good sunset again. It feels uplifting in a way because it's been so long.